Bounce from a VWAP, simple intraday trading strategies for crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum and any other instruments, and I'll share it with you right now. Friends, before I start, I ask you to push like, subscribe, that's the best thank you, and also it helps YouTube to share this content because YouTube sees that people interested in. Thank you. About a bounce from VWAP, you would have two questions at this moment. First, what is VWAP and what is bounce? Let's find out. Before we start, friends, my name is Yuri. I'm top author on TradingView. At this moment, more than 58,000 followers. That's the reason why you should trust me. First, this lesson I would put into a part what is VWAP, and second part it is about strategies. First, about what is VWAP, I recorded a beautiful lesson. Take a look here. What I recommend you to do, simply watch this lesson about VWAP and you will get all info. To simplify, VWAP, it is average price discounted by volume per day. That's it. Compare it to moving average built by average price, VWAP built by average volume. That's it. That's the biggest difference. Because if you open any footprint, you would see that in some cases, for example, like Bitcoin, take a look. At high, here it were traded 113 Bitcoins. At this moment, at bottom, here were traded only 10, 6, 11 Bitcoins. Do you see that there always would be different volumes? That's why VWAP completely different to moving average. You could ask Yuri how we can use it and in what cases it's awesome to use VWAP. VWAP, it is intraday indicator, intraday. It is not for to open a position for 1 year, something like that. Intraday, because it shows you average volume of a day, and really often big guys, institutional investors, they use VWAP as a place to add a position. That's why it's interesting to use a VWAP. Also, you would ask, Yuri, what instrument can I trade by using VWAP? You can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, Dogecoin, any instrument on crypto market where you have access to volume, you can trade it. VWAP is not good for a forex market because there is no access to volume, like only if you trade futures on Chicago Mercantility Exchange. Only in that case you can use VWAP. Lesson articles about VWAP, we have it, they would be all in description. Take a look on VWAP. I would like to share with you one strategy on VWAP. Take a look in our VIP community. I sent to our members a few weeks ago, not weeks, days before Bitcoin crashed. It was a few days ago. I sent to them exactly updates that, friends, Bitcoin with huge possibility will bounce from VWAP, and take a look on this beautiful range. Do you see this beautiful range? Yes, price broke beautiful range and retest to VWAP, nearly one of the best trade idea. And take a look how it played out so well. Take a look on this. They retested exactly VWAP area, made fake out of this range, and dropped so much. Honestly, I didn't take the trade at that time because it was 3 AM and I was sleeping. My friends, I just opened with you a chart with Bitcoin and other instruments, and I would like to share with you examples when VWAP played out and in what cases VWAP wouldn't help you. Let's start. Take a look. It is a Bitcoin chart and take a look what's going on. As you can see here, what's the beauty? Take a look. That situation that I told you about VWAP. Take a look here. Price exactly broke this beautiful range, and take a look what had happened. Retest to VWAP, this amazing and beautiful drop. Why is something like this going on? Because there are a lot of people that do trades, and a lot of institutional investors, they would like to open a trade nearly average volume in a day because they trade by average position, and that's how it used. Honestly, I recommend to trade a VWAP only with, if you would ask me, Yuri, how can I trade a VWAP? I recommend you to trade VWAP only with trend lines and key levels, because independently it's really difficult, and you would see that in many cases price, like take a look, here, price in a range. You see that in that case VWAP won't help you, but it will help you only in a case if price makes a breakout. Even here, take a look. Do you see that price in a range? Yesterday, what they did a trap. What they did, range, broke it and retested from VWAP, bounce it, again bounce it, again bounce it. Do you see that price even in a range often bounce? But you came here to make some good money, not to do such trades. Even here, take a look how they played out from VWAP. Price were in this local range. What they did, they slowly broke it, retested, and massive drop. Another example for you like this. Do you see this channel? Take a look on this channel. What they did, they broke channel, retested. Here, take a look, again retested, and bounced it so many times. Honestly, if some of you would ask me, Yuri, what is the best indicator for intraday trading on Bitcoin and other instruments, I would say VWAP. And take a look like this. Here price didn't retest it VWAP because do you see this range? That biggest volume, and price didn't retest a VWAP. In some cases, do you see that like same with this range? They broke range and also didn't retest a VWAP. In some cases that would be retest, in some cases that wouldn't. Even here, take a look what they did. Range, price made this trap, and take a look even before breakout they bounced it from VWAP, and take a look after that they exactly retested VWAP and get dropped so much. That's why, my friend, once more I recommend you to use a VWAP strategy with after breakout. Even take a look on this like range, price broke it and they retested and exactly bounced it from VWAP. In some cases, once more, if price in a range, VWAP won't help you. My friends, if you would like to get the exactly strategy how to use VWAP with stop losses, take profits, I invite you to join our education programs where I'll share with you this kind of strategy and different strategies that you can use by trading cryptos. There would be all information below. Use it, right? My team will share with you all the information that you need to make a decision. Thank you for watching and see you inside. Take